Hey traders, Jason here with Day Trading Fearless. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to talk about what is different, but yet exactly the same thing with these two charts. Hopefully this study, I will leave a link down below to both of these charts in the description for free. So if you want to upload these to your Thinkorswim, but I think they're going to be very, very powerful tools. And I'm going to show you exactly how powerful they are in a second. But before we begin, do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's jump right into it. Okay, so what's the difference between the chart on the left, this one, and the chart on the right, this one? Actually, there is zero difference. They are the same exact chart. The only thing I did was I took all of these fast stochastics and put them all together. Now, when you put them all together, it forms something pretty crazy. Okay, it gives you buy and sell signals with a very high probability of it working out, but you could see the same thing over on this chart the same exact way. So let's kind of jump into what's on the chart. So the first thing, they're both 1 minute charts. The yellow line is a 200 period moving average. The turquoise line is a Globex anchored VWAP. So if you just go into the settings, now one thing you might want to do is to keep it updated and not actually keep having all these little lines every day. You could come in, left click on the code and just change this top one from, it goes 2023-0302, right? March 2nd. So all you have to do is come in here and update it. I'm filming this on the 2nd of March. So here for tomorrow, I'll just go 3, apply, right? So it's March 3rd, and you could see it now cleans up the chart, but it'll start to print tomorrow. And so it just keeps the chart a lot cleaner. Then we have a 200, this orange line is a 200 period 5 minute, okay, but it's showing on a 1 minute chart. What this is it's a 994 exponential moving average, which is equivalent to a 5 minute chart of their 200 period. So if I looked at a 5 minute chart, okay, and let's move this to 5 minute. Watch, we're at 39.56, give or take. If I go to a 5 minute chart, the 200's at 39.5 or 56, and you could see they do the same exact type of thing. So I'm just on the 5 minutes, so they're not going to look the same. If you want to help support my channel, get some education and also weekly trade levels, then make sure you check out my $99 S&P Future weekly trade zone and video course bundle. You will receive support and resistant trade levels every single weekend, and you will get my top 5 trading strategy video course bundle with my top 5 trade strategies that I use on a daily basis. So for more information, check the link down below or go to daytradingfearless.com. But back to the video. But it's essentially the same exact level. Now, stochastics, and I do want to give a shout out to Day Trading Radio. This is the guy who pretty much has taught me everything, invented the Divergence from what I know. So I want to give him a shout out. But essentially, this is one of his newest things. It's called the quad rotation. And it's essentially a 9-3 fast stochastic, a 14-3 fast stochastic, a 44 fast stochastic, and then a stochastic full 60-10. Now, this is a 1 minute. Think of it this way: a 1 minute, I believe a 2 minute, a 3 minute, and a 5 minute. So if I was to take these stochastics on each time frame, that's what they're showing me, right? So I don't need a 5 minute chart to look at stochastic. I could just come down here and go, oh, okay, hey, look, there's divergence on the 5 minute because we have a double bottom here, but we have a higher low. And what does price do? It moves higher from there, right? So what the quad rotation is where you have all four of these at the lows, right? And we'll kind of zoom in and we could see down at this level right here, okay, we're oversold here, oversold here, oversold here, and we're also oversold here. We also see it here, okay, here, here, and here. Now, what's the difference between these and these? Well, there's divergence on these, right? Got divergence there, got divergence here, got divergence here, and you essentially have divergence here. And look at price, you have divergence over here. Okay, now some people are like, hey, I really like this look of the chart. Okay, and let me just keep it like this. So when we do have all conditions are oversold, meaning they are below this 20 period, okay, or with a divergence, right, this is a time to get long. Or let's go to this chart on the left-hand side, and guess what? We see exactly the same thing. Okay, when they all get oversold, look at this, right? We could see where the divergence is all oversold here, right? So as prices coming here, we see all these, well, these two oversold, but right back here as we're making this low, all four of them are below the 20, and then we have a rotation back up, right? And then as we make a new low, we're seeing the divergence because price comes here, okay? And then we see these actually above the line, okay? And this is where this chart pattern becomes very, very powerful. We're seeing the same thing here, right? As we're way oversold on the 5 minute and also the 3 minute, the two, we see divergent. Okay, hey, let me try and get long and look at the rotation up. Okay, this is a very, very powerful tool. Again, now sometimes you'll see kind of once we're all oversold right here, and essentially when it's all oversold is when you want to take that bounce, right? That trade, but you're also looking for maybe be a little patient, wait for the divergences because we see a divergence here, but then we see the divergence here. Right? And we also see it on all the other time frames. All this does is it gives you more real estate, right, on your chart. Instead of seeing each one, you just wait for all four of them to be way oversold. Here's a great example, right? They're all below the 20 period. And then what happens? Price rotates higher and we see the rotation higher here. So hopefully this video helps on the ultimate divergence setup. I will leave a link down below in the description again with both of these charts. So hopefully you guys enjoy it, play around, leave it, put in the comments if you guys like this type of a divergence or not. And till next time, we'll talk to you soon.